Today we're going to unbox the Babelio white noise machine. I just ordered this because it is so small and I wanted to take it for a travel white noise machine. So let's see what is inside. Unbox that. Got the actual speaker here. Look at how tiny that is. The buttons here, power button, the button to make it higher or lower, and also to change to a different noise. What else is in here? Okay. And under here is the cable and instructions. Let's see how many noises this has. I'm not sure it will say in here. Okay, there are 15 different noises. I don't know if you can see those. 15 different noises. There's a brown noise, a white noise, pink noise, a bird song, a stream, summer night, bonfire 1 and bonfire 2, wind and rain, heavy rain, ocean waves 1, ocean waves 2, fan sound 1, fan sound 2, and fan sound 3. So this will charge it, or you can use it while it's plugged in. But this is how big it is. Super small, super compact. This is going to be great to travel with.